Excuse me while I huff and puff, but I just climbed up that, so got a couple minutes here to catch my breath before I head home. These people are all staring up at me, wondering how the fuck I got up here so fast. I love the sun. It's like coming through in bands and waves in between the gaps in the head. It's really pretty. Those are those tide pools down there that I was visiting before. And there's a lady, girl, something over there who's going to learn the hard way about the wave cycles out here. Unless, of course, her goal is to go swimming. CK foul weather clear as a bell right now. Which isn't always or even usually the case. This is honestly the most people I've seen out here in well over a year. It's about 60. There's a guy out there flirting with disaster, trying to catch some fish. And he's got about 15-20 minutes before shit gets sketchy out there. This is the scene of the crime, by the way. This is where I fell down the cliff. Off of right there. The wind blew me off. I don't know if you can see that guy out there on that rock, but he's pretty ballsy. The rock I call shark fin rock, or face rock. If you look at the very top of it, it looks like a face looking up into the sun. Oops. That rock. That guy. I'm sure it's going to be blurry, but maybe that'll even make the outline of the face even more. I don't know. Gorgeous, gorgeous day. Hot by local standards. A little bit of breeze from time to time. To be honest, this is the calmest I've seen it right here on this little knoll since early last summer sometime. Way down there is that hole when I go through that archway. Anyway, this thing's starting to creep me out. See, because of that. So, I'm gonna get up out of here. Peace, y'all.